Hello student, very good morning to all. Today we will start a 5th B exercise. So this exercise we will know about what is the proper fraction, what is the improper fraction and what is the mixed fraction. So first we will discuss about the proper fraction. So the proper fraction, suppose that this is the fraction value a upon b. So what is the condition is satisfied from the a upon proper fraction? So here if a is less than by b, then this type of fraction it is known as a proper fraction. Like this 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 10. So here this is the numerator value and this is the denominator value. So here this is the value is a represent and the denominator value is represent a b. So here this condition is satisfied means a is less than from b. So we can say that this is the proper fraction. Then after we will discuss about the improper fraction. So improper fraction is just opposite of the proper fraction. So here suppose that a upon b is the fraction, and here what is the condition satisfied? A is greater than by b. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that this type of fraction or this type of value is represent a improper fraction. Like this 7 by 5, 6 by 3, 5 by 2. So here this is the numerator value and this is the denominator value, and in the improper fraction a upon b condition is satisfied in all these fraction value. So we can say that that type of fraction it is known as a improper fraction. Then after we will discuss about the mixed fraction. So suppose that mixed fraction. So if any fraction is given in a improper fraction, then we can change the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Like this. So suppose that 7 by 5 it is a improper fraction, and here condition is satisfied a is greater than by b. So we can say that this number we will convert in a mixed fraction. So how can we convert? So first we will write this number in this form 5 and 7 and divide by this 7 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, then remainder value is 2. So we will write this 7 by 5 is equal to 1 oblique, this is the quotient value and this is the remainder value. So remainder value we will write here and this is the value 5 is here. So this is the mixed fraction. Understand? So now we will go to the exercise. So the first question is a fraction with 5 as numerator. So this is the numerator value 5 and this is the denominator value 6. So we will write this number in a fraction form. So first we will write the numerator value. First numerator value equal to 5 and denominator value equal to 6. So we will write this value in a fraction form. So how will we write? So 5 by 6. So then after we will check the condition. Here a is less than by b. So we can say that this fraction it is known as a proper fraction. Understand? Then after second one, express the following as a mixed fraction. So here the question is 18 by 5 and this number we will convert in a mixed fraction. So how will we convert? So 5 and 18. So 5 3 is 15 and 3 is the remainder. So we will write this 3 oblique 3 by 5. So this is a mixed fraction. Understand? And the third question, express the following as a improper fraction. So here this is the mixed fraction value and this mixed fraction value we will convert in a improper fraction. So how will we write? So first we will write the question 5 1 by 4. So how will we write in a improper fraction? So first we will multiply this 4 to 5. So first we will multiply, then after we will add. So 4 5 are 20, then 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. So this is the improper fraction. Then after question number 4, write 6 improper fraction with the denominator 5. So here the what is the denominator value is 5, and we will write the improper fraction. So question number 4, denominator 5, and we have to write the improper fraction. So first we will write the denominator value, and what is the condition satisfied for improper fraction? A is greater than from B. So first we will write the 5 is as a denominator value, then after we will write the greater number from 5. So 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5, like this. Understand? Then after question number 5th, write 6 improper fraction with numerator 13. So here we will write the improper fraction with using the numerator 13. Numerator equal to 13 and improper fraction. So A is greater than B, we will apply this condition. So first we will write the numerator value, so 13, then after a smaller number from 13, so 12, 13 by 11, 13 by 10, 13 by 9, 13 by 8. So this all type of fraction, it is known as a improper fraction. So thanks for watching this video.